Have you ever wondered what would happen if cream buns doubled every 3 minutes? This seemingly innocent question reveals one of the most terrifying mathematical scenarios humanity could face. Within just 1 hour, a single cream bun would multiply into over 1 billion pastries, creating an unstoppable avalanche of custard-filled chaos that would fundamentally alter our planet's ecosystem and threaten civilization as we know it. The mathematics behind this scenario follows exponential growth patterns that have historically brought down empires and ecosystems. Scientists call this phenomenon unrestricted exponential expansion, and it mirrors the catastrophic population explosions that devastated Easter Island civilization around 1600 CE. The Rapa Nui people experienced a similar doubling effect with their population, which ultimately led to complete ecological collapse and societal breakdown within mere decades. By the 15-minute mark, our initial cream bun would have spawned 32 copies, weighing approximately 10 pounds total. This matches the documented growth rate of the infamous kudzu vine invasion in the American South during the 1930s, where a single plant could cover an entire acre within a single growing season. Agricultural scientists recorded similar exponential patterns in locust swarms that devastated crops across Africa and Asia throughout recorded history. At 30 minutes, we would face 1,024 cream buns weighing over 300 pounds. Historical precedent shows us the danger of such rapid multiplication through the Great Molasses Flood of 1919 in Boston, where 2.3 million gallons of molasses created a 25-foot wave that killed 21 people and injured 150 others. The sticky, dense nature of cream filling would create similar adhesive properties, trapping vehicles and pedestrians in an inescapable sugary prison. After 45 minutes, over 32,000 cream buns would weigh approximately 10,000 pounds, equivalent to a small elephant. Marine biologists have observed comparable exponential growth in harmful algae blooms, such as the infamous red tide events that regularly devastate Florida's coastlines. These biological explosions consume all available oxygen, creating dead zones that eliminate entire marine ecosystems within days. At the 1-hour mark, our cream bun population would exceed 1 billion units, weighing over 300,000 tons. This mass equals the annual sugar production of entire countries like Thailand or Australia. Food scientists studying fermentation processes have documented how unchecked bacterial growth can produce similar biomass explosions, generating toxic byproducts that contaminate entire food supplies and create public health emergencies. The structural integrity of buildings would collapse under this immense weight, as civil engineers know that standard construction materials cannot withstand such distributed loads. The 1981 Hyatt Regency walkway collapse demonstrated how even small weight miscalculations can cause catastrophic structural failures. Our cream bun scenario would create loading conditions thousands of times beyond any building's design specifications. Environmental scientists predict that the dairy components in cream fillings would begin decomposing rapidly, producing methane and hydrogen sulfide gases that would create toxic atmospheric conditions. This mirrors the environmental disasters caused by livestock waste lagoons, where concentrated organic matter produces greenhouse gases at rates 25 times more potent than carbon dioxide, accelerating climate change and creating uninhabitable air quality. Within 90 minutes, the cream bun mass would exceed 100 million tons, surpassing the weight of all land mammals on Earth combined. Ecologists studying invasive species have documented how rapid population explosions disrupt food chains and destroy biodiversity. The cream bun scenario would eliminate agricultural land, forests, and freshwater sources, creating a global famine that would make the Irish potato famine of the 1840s seem insignificant by comparison. The ultimate conclusion of this exponential nightmare would transform Earth into a cream bun planet within just 2 hours, with a pastry layer several miles thick covering every continent and ocean. This mathematical inevitability demonstrates why nature evolved population control mechanisms and why scientists consider unchecked exponential growth the most dangerous force in the universe. Sometimes the most innocent questions reveal the most terrifying truths about our world's fragile balance.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.